Hey everyone, Alin here. Today I'm giving you a free pack of AI generated backgrounds, and I actually prepared two versions for you. A normal resolution pack that's lightweight and easy to preview, and a fully upscaled high resolution pack ready for professional work. If you are a designer, content creator, YouTuber, or anyone who wants clean visuals for your projects, this pack is for you. And yes, you can download the normal resolution pack for free. So these are the low resolution backgrounds, or normal resolution background. These are the normal resolution backgrounds. It's still a good resolution. It's a resolution of 1400 pixels by 800 pixels, so it's a good resolution. But if you want a high resolution, I recommend you download the paid pack, which is this upscaled pack of backgrounds. You see that is far more better resolution here. So let me show you another comparison. This is a wallpaper that I offer, and look what is the quality is. If I zoom in, you can see that in the right, the better resolution, the upscaled resolution. I hope you can see that on the screen. How you can use them? These backgrounds work great for anything: YouTube thumbnails, banners and websites, Instagram and social posts, wallpapers, design projects, mockups, even AI prompt bases. So you'll find both download links in the description. Normal resolution pack with a small file size is free for download, and upscaled high resolution pack with maximum quality at a small cost. If you want more free assets like this, textures, patterns, AI backgrounds, Photoshop assets, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me create more for you.